I am making a Bacardi rum cake. Well, actually, let's call it Sailor Jerry rum cake. I'm making a rum cake for JT, the original JT's Holiday Sweet Challenge. And here are the ingredients. And I got my rum punch. This was a cake I used to make years ago. I think I found it either on the bottle, Bacardi or something. This was well before the internet. And I remembered it. I just had to double check this year, so I got a recipe. I greased my bundt pan and put pecans in it. It says stir to combine, but I like to use a whisk. Let me tell you, it smells amazing. Now, the oven is set to 325 degrees. Set the timer for 50 minutes. Okay, and we'll see what happens. And my directions say bake in a preheated oven, it's preheated, for 45 to 50 minutes until toothpick inserted comes out clean. Set aside to cool. Okay, well, we're putting it in the oven. Saw that. Now, I'm going to put some aluminum foil at the bottom of the oven. There's a glaze to the cake. And the glaze consists of butter, water, sugar, brown sugar. Oh, I thought it took a cup of sugar. It takes a half a cup. A brown sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar. It may just be granulated sugar. I got to look and see if we got brown sugar. And then a half a cup of Bacardi. That's for the glaze. So I won't make that until the cake comes out the oven because it only takes about 5 minutes to make. See y'all later when the cake comes out the oven. Okay, the 50 minutes is up. I have my skewer. And I'm not so sure, y'all. We're gonna stick this in. I think we're okay. And on the other side. Nope, it's good. Now we will make the sauce. Okay, so now the directions say I have 1 stick of butter, 1/4 cup of water, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, but I don't have any brown sugar, so it's just going to be sugar. And a half a cup of Bacardi rum. Now we got to pour the glaze on the cake while it's warming and while this is warm, and hopefully it'll soak in. But what I'm going to do is poke some holes in it too. Just kind of ease some of the sides and get some of it down to the bottom. Fingers crossed. 2, 3. Let's It's out. It's on. Well, I made some loaded French fries while I'm waiting for my rum cake to be cut. It's been a couple hours and I am about to cut the cake and take a piece out to JT in his smoking tent. Gotta put on my coat. But in the meantime, let's cut the cake. Oh my God, you have no idea how this thing smells. It's nice and crumbly. Whoa. I don't know. It looks pretty good. Hold on a second. I need a plate. Nice plate. We'll put his piece of cake on it. Oh, you know what I should do? For extra, shoot, y'all won't believe what I just did. For extra added rumminess, I'm going to drizzle moist. Chia. I'm coming to the doohickey. I brought you rum cake.
Okay.
Well, take whichever piece you want, but I need you to tell me what you think.
Well, it's very moist and it's tasty.
Ah, okay.
Taste the rum. Boy, you did a great job with this.